It's Luxury Fred, and I'm not normally one to do unboxing videos, but I started to unbox this and it's really cool, so I thought I'd film it and share it with you guys. Hopefully you see my videos. I'm trying to improve the quality constantly, and one of those ways is to do higher quality voiceovers. So sometimes when I do the car videos or hotel videos, I like to do a voiceover and talk about some stuff that maybe I didn't talk about on camera, and this is going to allow me to do that at a real high quality. And I'm pairing this mic, let me show you this real quick, with this isolation shield. So the mic will go right there, and it creates kind of a mini sound studio so that you get really good sound with that mic. So again, the mic will go right there, and I'll make a video when I do that part. So this is a RØDE NT-USB versatile studio quality USB microphone. I'll put the link in the description. I just got this on Amazon. I paid for it. RØDE is a good quality company. I use them already with this, which is a mic that I use sometimes when I'm shooting. Kind of an on-camera mic, so they're excellent quality microphones. So the unboxing goes like this. So we open the box, and inside it's covered with foam, and then we have two parts. This is the stand that the microphone sits on, and then look at this. You take this out and you have this really nice leather-ish pouch. It says RØDE, and inside is your user's manual and a I Love RØDE Microphones sticker. Okay, and that was in this nice pouch, again with the RØDE logo. And then here is the microphone, and I was rather surprised. It's quite hefty. You know, it feels like it should, like a real quality microphone, like you'd have in a recording studio or something like that. So this is the pop, you know, the windscreen that you, not the windscreen, but the, I guess they call it a pop filter, so that your voice doesn't make pops. And that's kind of built in, and then the mic is back there. It does have onboard headphone power, so you can plug headphones in there to monitor them. And it's supposed to be plug and play with both Mac and PC, USB powered. And I'm excited to use it. Here's the setup that I'm starting out with. This is a stage right microphone isolation shield. Again, I'll put the link to buy that as well down below. This was, I think, $70, something like that, and creates kind of a mini little studio here. So I've been using it, and I'll play something that I recorded with it now. Hey, it's Luxury Fred, and I am testing out my new RØDE NT-USB microphone. What do you think? Okay, and here is test number 2 with the new microphone, also using the microphone isolation shield. Thank you. It's very sensitive, but I think I need to play with the equalization and possibly filters and other processing to get a sound that I like a little better, with a little more lower end tones and things like that. It's very sensitive, so I'm still kind of tweaking the settings. As I mentioned, it has a headphone jack for you to monitor it. And the problem that I'm having, or not the problem, but when the microphone is plugged into the computer, into my laptop here, it disables the speakers of the laptop. So I can only hear through the headphones. No sound comes out of the laptop. If I go to YouTube or something like that, it puts all the sound through these headphones. So sometimes I have to disconnect it when I want to hear the mix, you know, coming from the laptop. And I'm also playing with the, you have a headphone volume here, and then you have a mixture knob as well, and the mix knob controls the mix between
the source audio and the microphone audio, so you can, play with how much of that you're hearing in the headphones there. So again, Luxury Fred here, just a quick unboxing, and very impressed with my first impressions with this. The RØDE NT-USB microphone.